Hi everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my channel The Food Mile. It's been always exciting to try something unique. This video is about a dessert with buckwheat flour, popularly known as Kuttu ka atta. Let's begin. First, let's dry roast the buckwheat flour. I did try using it as it is, but it leaves a raw taste in the dessert. So dry roasting is important. Take around 1.5 cups of buckwheat flour and dry roast in low flame for around 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes nicely fragrant and let it cool. Now let's make the dough. In a bowl, take the dry roasted buckwheat flour, 3 by 4 cup of powdered sugar, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of ghee. Mix it well. Now for kneading, we'll be using boiling hot water. Again, this is to avoid the rawness of the dough. So be careful and use a spoon to mix. Once the dough comes together, you will be able to take it in hand. Cover it with cling wrap and set aside. Now for the filling, take a medium-sized bottle gourd, peel, de-seed and grate. We need around 2 cups of grated bottle gourd. Take a kadai with 1 teaspoon ghee, add grated bottle gourd, stir for a minute, and then add 3 by 4 cup of milk. Let it cook for a minute again. Then add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Cover and cook for few minutes to make sure the bottle gourd is cooked. Now on a medium flame, stir until it becomes dry. Let it cool completely. The filling is ready. Make small balls out of them and keep them ready. Time to roll out the dough. Dust the work surface with flour. Take small portion of dough and roll out. carve out the edges. I chose to give them a square shape. So 2 squares, place 1 ball of filling between the 2 squares, press it gently and seal the edges with coke. I have added few points in the description box which I felt will be helpful while prepping this dessert. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for around 10 to 14 minutes. You will see that the edges start browning. Guilt-free, gluten-free, yummy fusion dessert, Peda pie is ready. Finally, garnishing with melted chocolate. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback. Subscribe to my channel for more unique recipes. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.